Hello everyone, I'm Akhilesh Bhagwat from Graphologymadesimple, and after completing this course, you will be able to find anyone's personality in the world by just looking at their handwriting, right? So even if writer is a stranger, you will be able to decode their personality, to find their personality. So we are going to get started with basics. What is graphotherapy, what is graphology, and what are different methods of analysis. Then we will move towards all small letters from A to Z. We will study different types. A have more types, 3 types, 4 types, Z have more types, so we'll study different types as well. Then we will move towards combination letters, how you can combine two or more letters and find something interesting about the writer. Then we will move towards all capitals from capital A to capital Z. Here too we will study different types, just like small letters. Then gestalt method, margins, zones. These are someone who is an introvert, extrovert, independent person, reserved, that can be found out by using this gestalt method. Then, more than any other concept we have studied before, here you will learn about extra traits as well. So, is writer someone who is stubborn, accepts their mistakes or not? Is writer someone who accepts their responsibility or not? So, you will be able to find that in extra traits section. Then you will study analysis steps as well. So, not just learning, you will be able to practically apply knowledge as well, as I will be teaching you how to do analysis and what are the steps required. And graphotherapy as well, how to suggest right changes when something negative is present in writer's handwriting. So you will be able to learn that in this particular section as well. So that's all you're going to learn. You are going to change how you view handwriting after completing this course. So before, you may be thinking handwriting is neat, clean, small, dark, and after completing this course you will be able to find if it is dark, then writer is someone who is aggressive, like this. So you will be able to change your view perception of handwriting after completing this course. So why wait? Enroll now. Enroll now and you will be able to learn something unique today. That's all. Enroll now. Thank you for watching. Let's keep learning. Let's keep growing.